Okay, so today we are going to start with, I believe, the usual. It is the promotion of NASA. So this challenge launched a couple weeks ago, but it is still running. You still have 2 weeks to participate in this. So we are running this challenge with NASA to help them discover a certain type of comet. And so they're going to be leveraging your algorithm to see if they can find these comets. And if you do find some comets that they have not been previously discovered, you can get credit for it, which is super cool. So official comet discovery credit given to those whose algorithms previously identified previously unobserved comets. Really, really cool opportunity for you guys to work on a NASA problem. Let's check out and see how it's doing so far. It looks like we have a number of submissions here. Really cool. Any of you guys working on this challenge? Anybody submitted yet? Does anyone have any questions on this? There's still 2 weeks left, so it's not too late to jump in. Lots of good prizes. So really worth it. Highly recommend you check out. I did put the link to the challenge in the chat. So please do check out this NASA challenge. We're really excited about it. And we'll continue promoting it until it's over because again, we have 2 more weeks left to check it out. Also, we are running a career hack. So this just launched. This is for India only, but I did want to share because I think it's important for those folks who joined today. We do have this career hack happening. This is open to anybody in India, with the exception of folks who already work for Wipro, of course. So Wipro is looking to hire a number of developers. So if you are interested in taking part in this hackathon, please do check it out. I put the link in the chat. There's also going to be a chat later this week on Friday, I believe. Here's the deadline. So the registration is open now, but the actual event will start on Thursday. So you can start coding on Thursday. You'll get all the details about the hackathon in this challenge spec. There'll be a meeting with Wipro on the 4th of February. So please check that out if you want to learn more about working with their team. And it is specifically the R&D team, right, Adam? The group of that's hiring?
It's the R&D. Yes.
Yep. Engineering R&D team.
Yep.
Yep. So if you're interested in doing this career hack, please do check it out. They will be hoping to make out some career offers after this hackathon. So don't miss that if you are India, of course. Up next, we have a skill builder for AWS Athena. So this is still running for a couple more days, so it's not too late to jump in. This skill builder is for Power BI and AWS Athena. And we have a ton of work coming from our customer Wellmark. So if you want to get in on some of these challenges to earn some extra cash, we highly recommend you do these skill builder challenges. They will help you be successful with those challenges. And I know we ran there was another actual real work challenge with this technology last week. So these challenges are coming. They're constantly coming. So you don't want to miss a chance to get this technology under your belt so that you can participate in these challenges, okay? So don't miss that one. And you guys, because one is not enough, we have another skill builder coming up, the skill builder of the month, which is MuleSoft. So that is going to be live any time now today. I know my team is working on getting it live, so it'll be launched today. Great opportunity for you to learn MuleSoft. So do not miss our skill builder of the month. For February will be MuleSoft. We also are working with the MuleSoft team on free certifications. So not only can you learn the technology with us through an easy, medium, and hard problem, but you can also get certified as a MuleSoft developer. So it's a really great opportunity to jump in and learn more from MuleSoft. Any questions on this skill builder that's going live today? You guys are the first to know. All right. And we have a third skill builder because why just do 2 when we can do 3? So our third skill builder is Lightning.js, and this one is running right now, launched last week. So there's still time to jump into this one. Again, we have work coming for this technology, which is why we are running the skill builder challenge, okay? So please do check out this skill builder. You can learn Lightning.js and get some real work to get some real payments, real earnings, okay? Any questions on these 3 skill builder challenges? Does everyone understand what a Topcoder skill builder is? Do you want me to go in more detail about what they are? Or are you guys good? All questions are good questions. Okay. We do have some really awesome co-pilots running these challenges, so please be sure to ask any questions in the challenge forums. We want you to be successful with these, okay? All right, next up we have the top gigs of the week. So at Topcoder, we have freelance gigs, and we share the top ones of the week every week on this call. And the ones that we have this week are the UI developer gig here. This is for any location. You need these particular skills to apply for this job. So what you would need to do is, if you are interested, you read through the description and you can apply and just make sure that those skills are in your CV or resume. And it looks like this is UK time zone, just so you can see the hours that are needed. And it's only a 4-week-long gig. So if you're looking to have a nice guaranteed income for 4 weeks, it's a great opportunity for you. If you are not interested in this gig but have a friend, you can refer them right here. There's a referral link, and this is associated with my account. So as long as you are logged in at Topcoder, you will have your own referral link, and then you can share it with a friend as well. If you find somebody that's interested in this gig and they get hired, you get $500. So please do check that out. The next gig we have is an AWS DevOps lead. This role is also for any location, and these are the required skills. So please do check this gig out if you have those skills and are interested. This is a much longer gig. Again, it's eligible for referrals. So if you know somebody's interested or if you want to apply, please do so. Here's the link for that gig. The next one is a graphic design expert for NASA. This one is USA only, but I believe there's also an any location gig as well for this. So NASA is looking for a graphic designer for one of their projects. This is a 20-week-long gig, and these are the skills that they are looking for. So make sure those are in your resume. And if anyone else on my team has the URL for the other gig that is for NASA, that is any location, please share it in the link for us. Thank you. And then we have a cloud engineer. This one is any location. And these are the skills required for that. Again, you can go through the job description and apply or share with a friend. And finally, we have a data scientist gig. This one is located in any location as well. So lots of great gigs available this week, lots of different gigs. So it's really cool to see all the different types of gigs you can do. So whether you're a designer, data scientist, developer, there's something out there for you. And as always, if you are under topcoder.com/gigs, you can see all the gigs that we have available. And again, you have a referral link to share all of the list of gigs. So anybody you share that applies for any of these gigs will be associated to you. On the list, you can search by skill, by location, however, so definitely check out our gigs. Okay. And we have an RDM coming up this Friday. So really excited about this. Penna, you want to give everybody a quick overview of the RDM happening?
Yeah, sure. So we did an email campaign for this so-called RDM reboot for 2022 at the end of last year, and it has manifested as this RDM4 that we are holding this Friday. Definitely check it out. And what this is a rapid development match, which is somewhere in between our traditional algorithm rounds, which are super fast-paced and intense, and then the development type challenges that we have at Topcoder, where you use real-life development skills. So in these challenges, there's an 8-hour time window during which you have to solve 3 problems of increasing difficulty, and the problems will be related to real-life development skills. For this particular RDM, we actually have a real-life problem statement as well. So the solutions that you write will benefit Topcoder community. Definitely looking forward to your participation, and do reach out to me for any questions on this on Slack or forums or the chat here. There will also be an announcement for this in the newsletter and an additional email reminder coming up with registration links and all such.
Awesome. Thanks, Matt. Yeah, it should be fun. I know one of the last RDMs that we did, we ran at the same time as it was like the spooky, scary bug hunt, right? So some of us were on a hangout, and I know some of the folks were talking about the RDM and having a good time. So if you guys are going to participate and you want to jump on a hangout or a Zoom link, we'd be happy to set one up if you guys want to hang out and do it together. So these RDMs are a lot of fun. So we look forward to having you guys there. And there's prizes, of course, as well for the RDMs. So don't miss your opportunity
That's
to
right.
get in on these. They're a lot of fun. Cool. All right. Our calendar is a little crazy. So as I said, we have the NASA Comet Detection Challenge. There's 2 more weeks. The Wipro Career Hack will be starting on the 3rd. And I did that out of order. That's weird. Sorry, guys. And the 2nd, we have SRM 823. So that's on Wednesday. So don't miss the next SRM. Then, as we said, we have RDM 4 on Friday. We have a rookie SRM happening on the 9th, as well as Marathon Match 133 starts on the 9th. We have a really great webinar / AMA with S. Sandeep Kumar. Excited to hear his story. He was a winner of the Wix Hackathon, as well as one of our skill builder competitions. And he was sharing his story last week on one of these calls about how his wins were really great for his family, financially, and how impactful they were. And so it'd be good to hear his story and hear some of his tips and advice for being successful. So don't miss that great meeting. That'll be hosted by Mahestro. We have SRM 824. And then we have an AMA with Yoki coming up at the end of the month. And the only thing that did not make this for some reason, it will be our hangout. We have a hangout happening on February 25th. So I'll promote that next week. I'll share that with you. Basically, our hangouts are just, hey, jump on a call like this, kind of. We'll play some games and maybe do some prizes. That'll be hosted by Mahestro as well. So lots of stuff happening over the next few weeks. So please don't make any plans socially because there's lots of cool stuff to do here. So I'm just kidding. But that's all the stuff I have for you today. I want to, as I said, leave time for any questions, or if there's anyone else on my team who has other things that they are interested in talking about or sharing, now's your time. Open floor, guys. What do you guys have?
Hey, Jesse, real quick on the calendar, you have SRM on there. Do you mind just anyone new, just reminding them what SRM is?
Yeah, absolutely. So SRM stands for single round match. And our single round match are quick algorithm competitions. So basically they're about 2 hours long. You get 3 problems in easy, medium, and hard. You have to code as quickly and accurately as you can. We are known for some of the best problems. Our problem coordinator, Misaf, writes some of the best algorithm competition problems. So you don't want to miss them. And also the team and we just put together a new page. I was going to share this. It's going to go out in the newsletter too today. A new page that kind of talks more about competitive programming. So if you're new and you want to learn more about it, you can go there. You can see when the next SRM is taking place. You can read some sample problems and learn lots of things. So that is a really great link that you want to bookmark and check out anytime you have any questions.
And I think everyone, we just mentioned the RDM, so the rapid development match number 4. So you'll see the SRM is like number 823 and 824. So we're only in the 4th competition for the rapid development match, and this is the beginning stages. So as Penna said, that is starting on Friday. So and the RDMs are focused on development technologies using a similar format as our SRM, where we have an easy, medium, and hard. So do jump in early. These are the early days of rapid development match, and we're looking to grow it and of course improve it as we go along. So RDMs, I'm very excited about those. So please do check it out.
Yeah, now's the time to really immortalize yourselves on the leaderboard. Just imagine in a few years when new people are introduced to the RDM and they start looking for the editorials and past leaderboards, and if you do well in these first competitions, your name will forever be there.
Exactly.
Okay, any other cool stuff the team wants to share about, or any other questions from the members? Any members have any questions? Anything we can help you with? How can we make you be successful? Quiet crowd today. I even went super fast so that you guys had time to talk today, because I don't want to be the only one talking the entire time in these calls. There is another one of these Community Monday meetups happening in like 40 minutes. So Penna hosts our Europe one. That'll be happening in about 40 minutes. So I'm sure he'll talk some more about the RDM and anything else you guys have questions on. We do have our Indonesia time-based Community Monday meetup and our India one as well that happened earlier today. So if you guys are joining those calls, let us know how they're going. We hope they're helpful for you. And if there's anything that you would like to learn more about or talk more about on these calls, feedback is always welcome. Oh yes, Antonio, you're excited about the NASA challenge. Cool. Hopefully you're doing well. We're launching a NASA community. I did share the link a few weeks ago. I can share it again here. But we are launching a NASA community. And so now's the time, if you want to get in on it now, you can jump in because we're trying to grow. We have a lot of potential work coming up from NASA. They love working with our community. In fact, our NASA rep he loves Topcoder. He's a great ambassador for us. And we got a lot of really cool projects coming in from them. So we want to make sure that when there's NASA stuff coming, so you can jump in and let us know you're interested. That way we can notify you as soon as a NASA challenge launches. So I will share that link here real quick. I almost have it. Hold on. But definitely join our NASA community. We're putting together an entire website right now to show all the awesome work we've done in the past for NASA. If you're newer, we've been working with NASA since I think 2010. It's been a very long partnership. So it's really cool that we get to work with NASA so much. Here it is. Okay, I found the link finally. Sorry, guys. So if you want to join into the NASA community now, go there. And the end of this month, we'll have a really great website set up with a lot of the past history that you can learn more about. Okay. Any other stuff for us this week, guys? Okay.
It looks like we got a lot of the Topcoder team on. Anybody have anything? Any customer work, any projects coming up we should pay attention to?
Yeah, Adam, this is Didi.
Hey, Didi.
Hey,
Welcome.
thank you. Hey, so I think some of the projects which we have closed with our customers last week, I think the community should start seeing some of them. In oil and gas space, they are majority, but they are more on the design development side, I would call it. Okay. Not yet data science. There is a data science match brewing. I would not say it is not yet completely done, but yes, there is something in the pipeline. And same time, I would say there are similar to the Odyssey, we are looking at something large coming our way. So we are in the few final stages. So stay tuned, and more work coming in design development area for sure.
Didi, on the development side, any specific technologies, is it like front end React and Angular or anything?
So it is more React.
Okay.
I would call React Native. I would call React or Angular type of thing, but it is the larger one is React for sure. The smaller ones could be Angular and Node combination. So
great. Okay. So more React work coming, everyone.
And those who don't know me, I head the sales for Topcoder. So that's what I should have started that.
All good. You're the new pipeline report of challenges, Didi. So good job. All right, you heard it first, guys. More challenges coming up, so get ready. Again, as I said, don't have any plans in February. We got a lot of stuff going on. So, all right. Thanks, Remy, for your note.
And
QA. Oh yeah, I've heard a number of folks asking for QA. What's going on with QA? We have any new QA challenges coming up?
Well, I'd like to make a big announcement soon, but I need to give it a few more weeks. So we will be having a big announcement with QA coming hopefully within the next 2 weeks, but I can't give it away yet.
Yeah, and then we have already started towards QA work, and some of the cross-device testing, cross-browser testing, all of that. We are right behind the announcement. It should come through. I would put it that way.
Awesome.
So it is still a few weeks out. It is not going to be next week, at least few weeks.
So now you guys have to come every Monday now to see if we say something about it.
Yeah.
Awesome. I see a question from Brigitte on how to get hired, what test needs to be finished. So if you're looking at a freelance gig opportunity with Topcoder, in order to get the gig, you will need to apply, make sure that you hit the qualifications that are needed technology-wise. And then the gig work team will go through your application and confirm whether you're a good fit or not. And then you will hear more based on that going forward. I highly recommend that you can send an email. Thank you, Corey, gigwork@topcoder.com, if you have any questions on that, and they can help you be successful. And yes, skill builder challenges do help you. Thanks, Adam, for applying for gigs. And typically our skill builder competitions mirror what type of work is coming up, right? So sometimes we pick like an up and coming technology, but a lot of the times it's based on what work is coming into Topcoder. So when Didi and his team are out there doing their thing, bringing in challenges, we know, oh, we have a ton of this work coming in. Let's get some skill builders out there for you guys to make sure you're ramped up and ready to go. So you can guarantee for the most part, when you see a skill builder competition, challenges will follow. So definitely check out those skill builders as well.
Yeah, and like the MuleSoft. So there's a lot of MuleSoft jobs right now. One of the reasons that MuleSoft has partnered with us is because they want more developers, more Topcoder developers to have knowledge in building APIs and using their technology, because across Europe, they're just looking for a lot of MuleSoft developers right now. So check out the skill builder, look at the certification, and there is opportunity there.
Yep, I'm adding the thread, the forum thread that talks about the MuleSoft certification, so you can find that information there. Awesome. Any other questions, comments? Anything else you guys want to talk about today? Thank you everybody for coming. It's been great to meet some of you guys that are new. As I said, we're here every Monday. Now there's 4 different time zones in which we're doing this call. So please do come anytime. Is there a forum to discuss the RDM, you mean, Brigitte? Or RD kit? Okay,
RD kit is the RDK is that skill builder which we are running, Adam?
That I don't know. Is that not that I know of, no.
Okay, because somebody is asking RD kit, so I'm just trying to figure out, is that the RDK skill builder?
So we have general forums that you can always go and talk about anything specific. I'm not sure if we have anything specifically related to those topics. And we also have a Topcoder Slack channel. I will share the link as well with you guys here. You can join through this link. There's people here for every topic for the most part. So if you want to look for somebody to chat about those type of topics, I'm sure you can find somebody in the forums or in Slack.
Yeah, we do a lot of Python work. We're just not doing anything with RDKit right now. So please do, if you're interested, and if there is an opportunity there, we might be able to run something. So it looks like a interesting, yeah, looks like a great Python library.
Oh, thank you, Nick. Yes, we're doing a beta test event at the end of this week. So if you are in part of the beta tester group, you'll be getting an email today about that. So hopefully you are free on Friday. So check out that event. If you do not know what our beta tester group is, send us a note. We'll let you know. I'd love to invite all of you on this call today to join that beta test opportunity later this week. So just send me an email. We'll make sure we get you added to the list. I'm not going to spill the beans on what that is all about, but it's basically you checking out something new that we have and getting your feedback. So we love member feedback. That's how we do a lot of the things we do here to make sure that you guys like what we're doing, right? Because everything we're doing is for you. So let's make sure you guys are happy with it and you helping us, providing feedback and helping us make it the best it can be. Okay, awesome. Thanks everybody. Have a great rest of your Monday, a great rest of your week, and we look forward to seeing you next week. Meantime, check us out anywhere you need to contact us if you have any other questions. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Bye.